In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Planner board. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Planner. If your organization uses Microsoft 365, you will usually reach Planner from the app launcher or by going directly to the Planner website and signing in with your work or school account. Once Planner loads, make sure you are looking at the plan that contains the board you want to delete. Next, click the plan name at the top of the page. This is the highlighted title area that shows you which plan you are currently viewing. Selecting the plan name helps you access plan level options, which is where the details and management settings are located. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct plan, because deleting a plan removes the board and its tasks for everyone who has access to that plan. After you click the plan name, look for the option called Plan Details and select it. Plan Details is where Planner stores key information about the plan, and it is also the area that typically connects you to administrative actions for that plan. If you do not see plan details right away, pause and look near the top of the interface where plan options appear, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size. Once the plan details panel opens, click Plan Details again within that panel. This second selection takes you deeper into the plan information area, where you can review and manage the plan. If you are working in a smaller browser window, you may need to scroll within the panel to see all available items. From here, follow the on-screen prompts available in the Plan Details area to complete the deletion of the planner board. Before you confirm, double-check that you are removing the correct plan, especially if you manage multiple boards with similar names. It is also a good idea to notify collaborators ahead of time, and if needed, capture any important information from tasks before you remove the plan. That covers everything you need to know.